Hey there, this is Pablo from Anima. We're very excited to show you our latest release, Anima for Adobe XD. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started, and in later videos, we'll go deeper into all the things you can do with Anima for Adobe XD. With Adobe XD opened, let's switch to the Plugins panel by clicking the third tab on the lower left corner or by pressing Command-Shift-P on Mac. Then click on Discover Plugins and search for Anima. Then select it and install it. Next, create an Anima account if you haven't already or log in. Now we'll create a project. There are two ways to create a project. One way is to create it from the web app, or you can create it directly from the plugin. Since we're already here, let's create it from a plugin. The first step, click the New Project button, enter the name of the project, and select a theme. Automatically, Anima creates a personal theme, but you can rename it or create a new one. Later on, I will show you how to invite people to join your team to collaborate and receive feedback on your work. In the next few videos, we'll continue working on our demo file. So make sure you download it using the link in the description box. Please like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to get more tutorials.